Shopping Sampovaja Trashtom Shopping Sanja Upgrade for shopping
Iba Isak Raikan ni Hamba Isak dari kebanyakan ni Tengi dia sebagai biru Pagkapan ay job sa university Kibala Trashtom at penlongkam Yang dikakam Takasingin nagta Bersami
Kabaay Jing yarap Ya Nongrep Jong Kachila Da kabaay San Hazar Manwe Nongrep. So I hope that has given some idea of what we are doing. I would like to I would love to speak more, but I'll learn slowly. But apart from that, we'll be distributing close to 200 crores. We have started already. We have distributed maybe 30 to 40 crores already. We will be touching 200 crores in the span of 2 years since COVID started. And the second reason why we're doing this, that was the first reason. The second reason why we're doing this is we feel that while the government spends a large amount on government employees, on contractors, because development activity takes place, somehow the farmers are never benefited directly. So we have seen that thousands of crores are gone when we pay teachers, when we pay contractors, when we pay government employees. But direct funding to farmers has never been done. And that is why out of the 14 to 15,000 crores that the Meghalaya government spends every year, we felt that 200 crores to the farmers, 4.5 lakh families is nothing. The society as a whole has suffered. And obviously, the people, the general public who are dependent on their day-to-day activity for their livelihood have suffered the most. So as a government, we felt that we need to do something for this section of society. And 75% of them are producers and, more importantly, farmers. We have calculated that approximately 4.5 lakh families are there who are in one way or the other linked to the agriculture sector and the allied sectors. And hence, we decided that we must give some financial support, a welfare scheme for the farmers. But at the same time, we felt that if we give the money directly to individual farmers, we may not be able to achieve productive growth in the particular activity that they do. And therefore, we decided that we will give 5,000 rupees per farmer family, but it will be in the form of groups. Money will be put in the account of the groups. Products and areas, they have defined that, but it is flexible. So tomorrow, if your group wants to do some other product, there can be consideration, and I would urge the officials to ensure that you should allow the farmers to choose their product. There are certain things which are difficult, then of course the exception can be made, but in general, the flexibility is there. And the last point is that this is a bit slightly complicated. I don't know whether I'll be able to explain it properly or not. But this producer group program that we have is the bottommost program. This is going to affect 4.5 lakh families. Once we do this program, there is another program on top of this, which will be the cooperative society programs. Now we have cooperative societies that are working, and we have, in the last few years, we have spent more than 200 crores in these cooperative societies, and we're going to spend another 300 crores in these cooperative societies, which is now to help the farmers get a better price. Farmers don't get better price for many reasons. It's not just that their market is not available. They don't get it, because market, of course, accessibility is not there. They have problem with transportation. they have problem with packaging, they have problem with processing, they have problem with storage. So because of all these factors, farmers suffer.